What's good, family? It's Dre.
It's Sierra.
And today we are back with
a
the reaction. Please like and subscribe.
And comment down below what other reactions you guys want to see from us. Okay.
And today we are doing a reaction on the Amazon forest fire.
Yes. I don't know nothing about the forest fire, but Dre wanted to react to it, so I want to see it too.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay, let's get into this video.
Hey, I don't know if you heard what President Trump just said, but according to U.S. intelligence, the Chinese Communist government is now...
Also on the agenda for G7 leaders, those fires swallowing the Amazon rainforest. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson pledged over $12 million to help restore the rainforest. Host Emmanuel Macron announced $20 million in emergency funds, as well as French military support.
Just to get
Macron said all the leaders agreed about the urgent need to help nations affected by the fires.
There is a true convergence to say that we all agreed to help as quickly as possible the countries that were affected by these fires. There were several. This morning, Colombia called out to the international community, and we must be present, and we will finalize this.
I think it's really cool that people are coming together to try to end the forest fire. Like, I think it's very sad though, like to the animals.
Yeah.
Like the wildlife. Imagine how many animals died inside the forest fire. Like, just the smoke.
People who was actually out of there. You know?
How you say it, smoke inhalation?
Mm-hmm.
Like, imagine just breathing it. You can't breathe it in. Like, how can you? You'll die in a matter of seconds.
Shows some 80,000 fires have been recorded in Brazil this year, the highest number since 2013.
Wow.
The effect of its destruction goes far beyond the country's borders.
80,000 fires have been recorded since 2013.
And this one is the highest one?
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's because the Amazon rainforest
I pay attention to what's going on out here, man. It's crazy.
Massive amount of carbon emissions and provides about a fifth of the world's oxygen. CNN's Nick Payton.
A fifth.
So the smoke is affecting a fifth of the Earth's oxygen. Like that's when you think about it, some people may be like, it's 5%, but that's actually a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Walsh flew above the state's hardest hit last week.
There's little below but ghosts, and even they seem
43,000 troops to fight the fires in Brazil. Like, that's crazy. 43,000. I mean, just imagine like a regular fire. You see a fire truck, typically has about 4 to 5 men in it. So just imagine how many fire trucks, ambulances, helicopters, how much water is being used right now. I mean, I couldn't even imagine the water supply on that right now.
There's a lot of troops.
Thank God they didn't happen inside the U.S.
These are the newest fires in the worst hit state in the Amazon. We didn't see below us any of the 43,000 troops Brazil's president has pledged to fight. In fact, in some places, it's so bad you can't even see how bad it is. That'll suit just fine those who'd rather ignore the world's most urgent environmental crisis.
For real. Look at that, baby.
No matter how high you are, you can't escape the smoke. We even close our air vents inside the plane to stop it. The sun made this green paradise over...
They had to... So the camera guys and everything like that, they just said that they had to close their vents inside their airplane, helicopter, whichever one they was in.
Yeah, they couldn't.
Because the smoke was so high up inside the air and thick. How Bebe just said, like, man. Oh my God.
That's insane.
That's absurd.
Imagine getting out to go clean it and you gotta breathe it in at the same time as you clean it.
Yeah, like there's no amount of money to be put on this fire, far as people who put their life on the line just to go put out this fire from spreading to other families in their homes.
Right.
I salute y'all. All y'all firefighters, all y'all troops. Everybody who's there helping right now. Still going on to this day.
For millennia, but now barely peeks through the smoke of its destruction. Well, these apocalyptic sites are kind of like the warnings about what might happen if the world doesn't do something about the climate crisis that you keep hearing. But instead,
80,000 plus fires in Brazil this year alone.
And right now, I have to climb. Understand. What's startling is how much of this immense jungle people have managed to destroy.
Did you hear like that? Like folks were saying that what was we saying that people were starting these fires, but like some said that it's just from like the heat and like dry wood and things like that. But yeah, some people say that. I mean, just think about it, 80,000 fires in a year alone.
Right.
We're only upon what 8th month.
It's insane, y'all. Think about it. It's a lot of fires that just keep popping
yeah,
up.
like I heard that somebody was starting fires. People were starting fires. This stuff might be bigger than we think. For real.
They had help. Fires they lit and that happen naturally in the dry heat, but usually
it said that 20% of the planet's oxygen comes from the rainforest.
This is almost a cemetery.
It said Amazon rainforest essential to Earth's survival. That's deep right now, man.
Fundamental for the water system for all over the continent. So if we cut off the forest, in some years we're not going to have rain on the south of the country.
Man, 20% of oxygen.
We find another area where the damage is fresher and easier to see. Raging in straight lines, swallowing everything left on the plain. And when you look at this, you learn something about yourself.
Yeah.
Do you see a crisis impacting every fifth breath you take and killing the future? Or do you see what man must do to nature to enrich himself and live better? The answer means little below, where the fire burns our heritage and suffocates our future, regardless of how we feel about it.
Yeah. That's sad, man.
Wow.
That really is sad.
I didn't know anything about it until you said something, babe, but looking at it, it is very sad.
Like, they didn't even show the people who was living down there, so...
It just said it looked like death.
They can't, like, the ground is so hot right now. Imagine a news reporter going down on that ground right now, just the heat. I mean, it's not lava, but just imagine it's probably hot as lava.
It's fire.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And just looking at them trees just burn. There's nothing but char. Everything's black, gray, soot, burned down.
In the line,
Singed.
though. They're going in the line.
It's going
That's
everywhere.
crazy.
It's like a circle just going out. Like how can you explain it?
Well, CNN international correspondent Nick Moss joins me now from Porto Velho in western Brazil. And Nick, you said there in your piece that this isn't even peak season for wildfires in the Amazon. So how can they even hope to stop these fires without irrevocably damaging the forest?
It's extraordinary. I mean, there isn't really an obvious answer to that. And as you saw in that piece, these fires you saw that started that day. They aren't the only bit that's been raging over the past weeks or so. That was that morning's burn. So the idea that some sort of military deployment here, or that the kind of periodic C-130 cargo planes we see take.
So basically, he just said that that fire that just happened, that's like going on right now, happened that morning.
Yeah. Like this was literally uploaded 10 hours ago.
Man. Like, come on, guys.
And that was live when it uploaded.
Like, drop some comments down below. Do you guys think that the fire will stop? What do you think that they should do?
But it do say it's not even peak season for the fires to be coming. So these are just...
Man, so, yeah. And it's crazy, guys. So y'all comment down below. You know, might I just add in on, do you guys think the fire is going to stop? What do you think they need to do to be more proactive on the situation, or do you think they're doing the best that they can? Let us know something. Continue the video.
Taking off it can make an enormous impact on that. Well, that's kind of far-fetched, to be honest. So, I mean, I'm not an expert in firefighting, but just the volume of what you see down there as you fly over it, and the small areas, frankly, we were lucky enough to fly over and see fire above, is just devastating. So, when we hear today French President Emmanuel Macron saying the G7 are pledging $20 million towards this, that really is potentially enough to spur more of an emergency effort here. But the volume of assistance required, 80,000 fires so far this year, 6,000 here in Rondônia State. These numbers just are almost impossible to get your head around. The damage is extraordinary. It changes every day. You know, we are hundreds of miles away from what you saw there here in Porto Viejo, but this fog here, the smoke that comes in every morning, blots the skyline out. So this is incredibly hard, frankly, to get across the extent of the emergency that they're suffering here, and the gulf between that and the water that they seem to be throwing on at the moment. Christina?
Yeah, these pictures are just extraordinary, Nick, and it's important for us to see them firsthand. Thank you so much for your reporting there in Brazil.
That's the reaction.
Alright guys, man, you guys see the video, like it's crazy, and you hear our thoughts on it. Just want to send out our condolences to everyone who's affected by the Amazon forest fire. It's not fair. You know, like, we're in the U.S., so I don't know what it's like to have to deal with those type of fires. I mean, we're in Kentucky. You know, things like that don't happen inside our neck of the woods. So yeah, just, you know, we send our prayers to you guys.
Yes.
And to Barnes family, make sure that you guys like, comment,
subscribe,
hit that bell so you can hit a ding every time that we post up a video.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing more reactions, y'all. So please comment down below what other reactions y'all want to see. We love y'all, and we'll see y'all next time.
Peace. Bye.